Okay, so I had a question from a viewer. How do you release a raccoon if you have no handle on the trap? So I'm gonna, even though I have a handle on this trap, I'm gonna show you how you can do it without a handle on the trap. And he actually just got caught. He's a little agitated. So, you know, I'm gonna just approach him slowly. You don't have to cover up a trap for a raccoon. And, I'll show you how to pick him up if you don't have a handle. Okay, so you just don't want to put your fingers where he can get a hold of you with his claws. And you can see the door closes down. And you just pick it up towards the top. And he'll try to run around and get out, but he's not going to hurt you and he won't be able to get at you. He's a little agitated, but I would be too. We're going to pick it up on the door end on the top. All right. I'm going to stand this little guy up. And we're just going to drop him in like that. All right, so the release is exactly the opposite of how he went in the truck. And again, we're going to do it like we had no handle on the trap. So you don't want to put your hands on this side of the cage. You want to keep it on the door side, on the top, and just grab it out. And he's really pissed off. I'm going to put this camera down just for a second. And you see you can just grab this cage on the top only. Okay? And he's going to come at me, but he just wants to get out. And you can carry him around all day long like this, and he's not going to be able to get a hold of you. And then when you want to release him, it's the same idea. You're just going to stay behind the trap, right, and work on the door side. And you're going to raise the door, and he's going to bolt right out. And you're just going to stay behind him. There he goes. See you, buddy. Done.